In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to make some Valentine's Day cards with your Cricut. This is a super easy project that you can make with just your Cricut, a fine point blade, and a pen. And I've also included the link to the project in the description below. Alright, so before we get making the project, I wanted to show you what it looks like in Design Space. So I designed this completely in Design Space. All the text and images were all done here. So I'll include the link below for the project so that you can just click that link and it'll take you to Design Space and you can make it too. You might have to pay for some images or fonts if you don't have Cricut access, but if you do, or if you own these images and fonts, then you can make this project for free. So everything, like I said, is completely customizable. Otherwise, if you are just ready to go, all you have to do is click on Make It, and it will take you right there. So it's a ready to make project. I've already figured out everything for you. That's all there is to it. All you have to do is click the link and click Make It, and you can get going. So now we'll apply the cardstock onto a light grip cutting mat, and I'm just lining it up, and then I'm going to use a scraper tool to burnish it onto the mat. Alright, so for this project, I'm going to be using a fine point blade, which is the standard blade that comes with every machine. And then I'm also going to use this black pen from Cricut. It's the 0.4 tip in black. And this is actually the pen that comes with your machine, so you might already have it on hand. If not, you can buy these in several different pen packs as well. So I'm just going to load it into the A slot on the machine. And you're going to want to listen for like a clicking sound. That's when you know that you have inserted it and it's inserted properly. So there was the sound, and then I'm just going to close it up. And if you didn't know, you can make this project on an Explorer Air 2 as well, because we're just using the fine point blade and a pen. And then I'm going to get this loaded in my machine, and we'll get cutting and drawing. As you can see, I've sped up the video pretty fast here. Since we're doing a lot of intricate drawing, it's going to take your Cricut some time to complete the project, so make sure you give yourself plenty of time for this. Alright, so they're finished cutting, and now we're going to remove them from the mats. To do this, I like to flip the mat over and then bend the mat back while I take the cards off. I like to do this because the cards then stay straight and the mat is what does the bending. So there's these two, and then you can just pop out the circles. And then here's the cream ones. If you find that there are like some paper shavings after you've cut it, like around here, you literally can just brush them away. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing. Flip it over and let the mat bend back. Alright, so there's our 4 cards, and we'll be able to tuck a crayon in here. So that's really the last thing left to do, is to tuck the crayon inside and then have your kiddo sign their name there. So here's the pear one, the lemon, the orange, and the melon. So when you're putting in the crayon, you can just kind of bend these forward just like that, and the crayon will stay in there. I would suggest just bending a little bit and not going too crazy. There you have it. Some simple Valentine's Day cards made with a Cricut. You can make them with any Cricut as long as it can draw. Super cute DIY, and they would make some fun gifts for your kiddos this Valentine's Day. I hope that you enjoyed today's project. Don't forget to head to the link below so that you can make this project too. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more Cricut videos. Thanks so much for watching.